How to get and redeem codes in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can find and use codes in Grow a Garden. So watch this entire video to learn how codes work and how to get them. So let's get started. First of all, how you can redeem codes. So go to the left side of the screen, click on the settings button, and there you will find the codes menu. So what codes are currently available in Grow a Garden? Right now, I don't think there are any active codes available. The other codes are expired now, so there are no current codes. So how can you get new codes? Best way to follow the pages of Grow a Garden on the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, and more, where you will be always updated by their posts, by their new events, and all. You can also frequently check the page, and on the homepage, you will be able to get new codes as soon as they are released. Another great way is to join the Discord server of this will also help you get new codes as soon as they're released, and you will see notifications in the updates channel or possibly in the announcement channel wherever a new code is released. Just keep an eye around those channels. So the best place to find codes are the official channel and official social media platforms of Grow a Garden and Roblox. So that's how you can find and redeem codes in Grow a Garden. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.